Hello friends. Welcome to a digital revolution that is about to transform the internet world. Today we'll talk about Meta Web 3, a technology that will give you data ownership, financial freedom, decentralized income, 100% transparent smart contract systems. So be sure to watch the video until the end because the information you'll learn today could transform your digital future. What is Meta Web 3? Meta Web 3 is a next-generation digital technology built by combining blockchain, Web3, metaverse, and AI. It's an internet system where your data remains yours. Mission and vision. Our mission is to give people complete control over their data, digital assets, and identity. Our vision is to create a digital ecosystem where technology empowers people, not corporations. Evolution of the Web 1.0 read-only, static websites, Web 2.0 read and write, social media, apps, Web 3.0 decentralized, trustless, permissionless. Meta Web 3 is the future version of this Web 3.0. Core technologies. Meta is the backbone of Web 3. Blockchain technology, cryptocurrency and tokens, smart contracts, decentralized applications, apps, all these together form a secure digital ecosystem. Page 6. Key features: decentralization, user data ownership, high security and transparency, no middlemen, global accessibility. That means complete control is in your hands. Meta Web 3 technology is shaping the future of the internet by empowering users with freedom, ownership, and trust. Meta Web 3 is already transforming industries: crypto trading and DeFi, NFTs and digital ownership, metaverse, decentralized, AI-powered blockchain applications. Meta Web 3 worlds, AI and machine learning, metaverse integration. Why Meta Web 3 matters? Meta Web 3 is not just a technology upgrade, it's a digital revolution. Full circle. It creates new income opportunities, builds trust through transparency, and empowers individuals instead of corporations. NFTs. In Meta Web 3, NFTs are used to digital art, gaming items, virtual land, ownership proof. Future of Meta Web 3 technology, worldwide mass adoption. Many more you can see: smart contract, AUITED and verified by CERTIK. USDT based P2P transaction 100% decentralized. Unlock the power of Meta Web 3 income. Build, grow, own your digital future. Compounding for Meta Web 3 principal withdrawal. You can withdraw your principal amount and profit can be left in compounding. Upcoming project: Metaverse. The 25th of July 2026. What you need to start your Meta Web 3 journey: MetaMask, Trust Wallet, token pocket gas fee, 0.001 BNBD app search. Meta Web 3, cloud launch date, the 15th of February 2026. Join package minimum $15, maximum, no limit. Meta Web 3 income models: sign up bonus, automated mining, referral income, multi-level growth, reward income, tour income, business income. Sign up bonus, free registration and 50 cents sign up bonus. Automated mining according to investment, 4% to 10% daily automated income till 3x, $15 to $250. Daily 4%, $251 to $500, daily 4.25%, $501 to $1,000, 4.50%. One by one according to range investment. Maximum you can get 10% daily everyday. Meta Web 3 automated mining income till 3x. Web 3 referral income from 15% to 50%. Instant income $15 to $250. You can get 15%, $251 to $500, 17%, One by one you can see referral income from 15% to 50%, multi-level growth income, first level 15%, second level 12%, third level 10%, fourth level 8%. One by one you can see till 14th level advantage. Income will be distributed from Meta Web 3 automated mining income on daily basis. Meta Web 3 business income, team business volume on the basis different income slabs, self-investment $15, referral $30, team business $250, income you can get $5, self-investment $250, referral $70. Team business $1,000, income you can get $15, one by one you can see, maximum income you can get $2,500, rewards income, team business $500, reward you can get $2.50, team business plus $1,000. Reward you can get $10, team business plus $2,500, reward you can get $25, one by one you can see maximum income $2,500, one-time rewards, tour income, team business plus $10,000 tour you can get Indonesia, Bali, tour income, team business plus $25,000, tour you can get Canada, one by one according to business you can get United Arab Emirates, Dubai, France, Switzerland. Zoom meeting 9 p.m. every day, rules and guidelines, registration free. Deposit and withdrawal are available on USDT BEP20 only. Minimum deposit 15 USDT. Minimum withdrawal 1 USDT. Maximum deposit and withdrawal, no limit. Instant withdrawal available. 24x7 withdrawal available. Withdrawal charge is 10% only. Address: 600 Matheson Boulevard, W Unit 6, Office 6, Mississauga. On L6R4C1, Canada. Friends, if you have any questions, please ask us. If you liked this information, please like, share, and subscribe to the video.